Hello, my name is Bryce with Central Florida Dent Repair. Today I'm going to show you how we repaired this nasty dent on this 2021 Tesla Model Y without doing any painting or body work on this vehicle. So this is kind of a special repair here. This customer actually found me on YouTube doing a search for paintless dent repair and, started calling around to see if anybody would repair his car, but nobody would want to touch this, unfortunately, in his area. So he reached out to me. I asked him to send me some photos, and he did. And he actually sent me a nice video as well, which really helped in the estimating process. And I was able to take it on for him. So we're going to be incorporating some hydraulics into the mix here, just kind of taking some of the tension off this deep impact and doing what's called glue pulling. And glue pulling is kind of an essential part of paintless dent repair. It allows us to move a lot of metal pretty quickly to enable us to then move on to some pushing from the backside with some specialized rods. And here's where we're at right now. We've got most of the damage just kind of walked up, and you can see the backside of the panel has some damage as well. And we informed the customer that we were going to make a major improvement to that backside there. And you can see here in the light reflection, it is looking still pretty ugly, but we have something we can work with here. Now, what we're going to do basically is just go from the backside, start pushing up the damage, and you're going to see here with this rod, it just basically gets inserted to the backside of the panel through a factory hole, and we just start kind of slowly manipulating that metal, moving it upwards. And then we also actually manipulate from the outside of the panel. You're going to see me using a lot of different hammers to kind of get it to this level here. This is, I would call this maybe about 50% of the way in. Here's a backside view of the panel here. We can kind of go in through that hole there, or we can also go in through the smaller opening here. These are all factory holes. We're just slowly pushing the metal. You can see in the reflection here, the metal's actually moving, and just think about doing this for the next 10 hours or so. It's a very tedious task, but it is an art form. We do this on a daily basis. It's not something that is a 1, 2, 3 type repair. This takes many years of practice and skill and a lot of dedication to the craft to become very successful at it. And you want to do what this gentleman did and just do some research and find a local paintless dent repair technician in your area that can perform these repairs to a high level. They are out there. You will find them. You just got to dig deep. And you usually want to, find somebody that is able to show you their videos. Videos are really helpful in determining what a technician is capable of repairing. Photos are good, but videos are ultimately going to be a better depiction of what they are putting out on a consistent basis. And here's your final outcome. After many, many hours at it, we achieved this result here. As you can imagine, this customer was very, very happy with the end result. Didn't have to bring the car to a body shop, drop it off, and possibly wait for weeks to get this done. Now, this actually had a little bit of bumper damage, which is the panel right below the damage that we repaired. The bumper is plastic, and we were able to actually just give an improvement to the bumper. And, he wasn't too concerned so much with the bumper. He was more concerned about the metal panel, which is the one that we repaired here. And like I said, very, very pleased, happy customer in the end, knowing this car retains the original factory paint finish. Which is huge on a car like this. Here's the repair and the outdoor natural reflections, which kind of give you a realistic idea of what these repairs look like when they are completed. And came out great. And here are the tools that we actually used, well, most of the tools that we used to do this repair. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this 5-minute video to kind of educate you on the value that paintless dent repair provides to consumers out there. Paintless dent repair is the #1 solution for repairing your automotive dents. give us a call, 386-216-5185, or go on to cfldentrepair.com. Thank you.